हेलो फ्रेंड्स। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कैसे बॉल बाउंस एनिमेशन को क्रिएट किया जाता है इनसाइड ऑफ आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स। सो लेट्स जम इनटू द आफ्टर इफेक्ट। So now we are in After Effects. Let's create a composition. Click here and rename the comps. I'm going to name it ball bounce and dimensions choose कीजिए according to you. So I'm going to choose with the 90/20, height 1080, frame rate 30 fps and duration 10 seconds. But it doesn't have to be same look like me. You can choose according to you. Click OK. So now we need to create a ball. So go to this tool and hold a left mouse button and select ellipse tool and hold shift key and create a circle like this. So let's decrease stroke color. We don't want stroke color, so let stroke color set to 0. So I select this layer and stroke color set to 0. So now we need to create a line. So go to pen tool and hold a shift key, click here and click here to create a line. So as you can see, we don't have a stroke color, so now we need stroke color. So increase stroke color 10 pixel. So now as you can see, this is it. Around this ellipse tool doesn't look like a ball, so we need to create a depth so that it seems to be a ball. So select this ellipse tool and go to layer and layer style and choose bevel and emboss and select this bevel and emboss right arrow. Click this right arrow and इसका जो साइज है इंक्रीज 55 and softness 15. So as you can see, this anchor point out of the circle. So now we need to align this anchor point center of the ball. So select this ball layer and go to pen behind tool. So hold the shift key, hold the control key and click this pen behind tool double, so that now it's anchor point center. So select this ball layer and drag something like this. So now it's time to animate. So select this ball layer and press P to bring position property and select the position property, right click and shape the dimension. So now we are going to animate only Y position. So select the position and click this stopwatch icon to generate a keyframe and forward 10 frames. So type here +10 to forward 10 frame and select this ball and drag bottom of the side, something like this. So let's zoom in timeline a little bit. As you can see, this slider is zoom out and zoom in. Let's forward 10 frame again. Type here +10 and click here to create a keyframe same position. Select the both keyframe, Ctrl C, copy and forward 10 frame. Type here +10 and Ctrl V to paste here. So select all the keyframe and press F9 to make them easy and go to graph editor and choose the value graph, not a speed graph. So I am using value graph and select all the keyframe except this one and select this handle and drag something bottom of the side like this. So let's preview. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, as you can see, it's quite speed. So now we need to decrease the speed. So let's customize this value. So select this handle and select this handle and drag something like this. Let's decrease and select this one also and decrease So you can see our graph look something like this. So your gap should be same like me. So let's create a solid layer for background. Right click, new, and solid, and I call it BG. Click OK. Select this BG and send to behind this shape layer 1. So now you can customize according to you more. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get more tutorial like this.